Hi, my name is Scarlett McConnell, and today I'll be talking about my science project. For my science project, I'll be talking about the Tasmanian tiger, which is extinct. The Tasmanian tiger was about 33 to 66 pounds, and it was also about 39 to 51 inches long. It had a brownish, yellowish fur, and it had 13 to 19 black stripes. And here you can see the yellowish and brownish fur, and you can see the 13 black stripes. Next, I will talk about their habitat. Their habitat is in Australia, Tasmania in Australia, and this is a picture of their habitat. It is kind of rocky, but three of their main things are grasslands, wetlands, and dry forests. This is a place where they live on a map. One of their adaptations is they develop pouches over time. So one of their use for pouches is to hold their young in their pouches. Most of the females have that, and the males started developing them to protect their stomachs from running through all the grass to catch their prey. My three favorite facts about Tasmanian tigers are: one, their jaws are huge, and their head is also very big, but it's slimmer, kind of like a fox, but their jaws open very, very wide. The next thing I really like, they're the only member of the thylanthan species to survive. And the weirdest, I thought this was a cool fact because it was kind of weird, is they have like a rat-like tail to help their balance. And this is my final picture of one. You can see it has yellowish color, but you can kind of see that pouch in that picture. My sources were Britannia.com and Australia.museum. Thank you for listening.